Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia, and I thank you for joining us. Today, I'm going to show you how to get this look. Makeup, hair, the whole nine. Today I used the Violet Voss Pro Like a Boss palette. I'm going to show you how to get this dewy skin using the Nars foundation, this nude lip, obviously because my eyes have a pop of color. And then I just threw a wave in my hair. So if you guys like what you see, then stay tuned and learn how to get this look. A little 24-hour insurance. Violet Voss Pro Palette. It's called Like a Boss. So we'll just play with this. We're gonna take Snatched and just swipe back and forth. And place that right in the corner. We're going to take Queen and place that right on my lid. And blend. And just blend. Blot my face before I do my brows. Eyelashes, worth the hype. I'm gonna clean these babies up. And to set my brow with BH Cosmetic. And for my lips, I'm gonna go with Dose of Colors, More Creamer Please. Chi by Colourpop. So you guys are always interested in seeing how I curl my hair, so here we go right now. I'm using this Gilbert. I don't know, I got it from Sally's. And I want to say it's about a 3/4 inch curler. And I'm just gonna roughly section parts of my hair and go in and lightly wave them, leaving the ends out. And you can do them backward, forward, away from your face, toward your face. It just depends on your preference and how you want it to look. You can mix them up. I mix them up so they're not all uniformed. And just again, leave the ends out. I'm liking this lip, but I might need to go in and add a liner. We're gonna leave it like that for now. With this, we're just gonna And then we just, like so, run our fingers through and see what we like, what we don't like. So this is the look, wild and free. This is the look. Yeah. So I didn't use any hairspray. I just went in and curled it. No oils, no anything. I just let it do what it does, and this is how it came out. If you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking the box below so you can get those notifications as to when I post and what I post. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.